Wax on.
Where's the beer?
Wax off.
Pretty uneventful trip. None of y'all needed to see any of the paving going on, but man, it's gonna be nice for a bike ride. Maybe next spring. There'll probably be snow on the ground by the time they're done doing the paving. But whatever. We're gonna enjoy it. We got Polar, switch sides. Girlie's got her head out the window because that's what she wants to do. And we are headed back for week 6 or something like that. Little different scenery. We got a pickup, we got a sled trailer, we got a sled trailer full of gear. We got that beam that you've seen us make in one of them videos. It's on the back of the gooseneck with the welder and some gates and some other razzmatazz. Here's some fall colors. Currently September something or other, mid-September almost I think. So I'll give you a little bit of the scenery on the way. And here we go. Huh, Bowler Dog? Do you know where we are? Yes, I know where we are.
Wax on.
Where's the beer?
Wax off. Excited?
Oh, what? This is gonna be a big work day. There's nothing to be excited. I'm excited about the end of tomorrow. The process of getting there? Yeah, no, that can just go ahead and buzz right off. Or Budweiser right off. This episode brought to you by Budweiser, the coldest beer in the world. It's kind of like my ex's heart.
It's got nothing to do with Budweiser. It's because I like my beer cold. It's on the verge of making ice cubes. When you crack it open, you're good. Backhoe set up, tied off, found the balance point pretty much, somewhat, kind of, sorta, and somebody moved it a little bit, hopefully not too much. So
Perfect.
we're gonna put a tag line on it here so that it got a little bit of control while we're lifting it up. Might need a couple of them straps. Get back to where you guys can get some scale on this. Maybe I'll bring the camera over here. It's gonna pick up and then slide it up and over top. Kind of think like you're gonna need another one.
How sharp do you think you are?
Scaffolding set up. So we can reach that one. We can get that one from up on the loft. Yeehaw. See how this plays out, I guess. back. Pretty proud moment for the engineer too, I'd imagine. It's pretty impressive, let me tell you. Hey, we didn't have much room to spare. There she is. IGA bag and all for a flagler marker. Thank you, IGA, for providing non-disposable or disposable flagler markers. So, appreciate that. What are we recording? Time lapse. No, we're recording. We can't see nothing because it's dark. Precision cutting at night. Want me to clean that up with my sawzall instead? Okay, so I'll confirm that measurement and we'll give you your length, and it'll be from here.
Yeah.
91 7/8. What's up, y'all? Next day. Gonna get a little bit noisy. Taryn's down here already getting things prepped up. We got the welder running. We're gonna put on the gates today, so we'll throw you on time lapse, get things set up, and here we go. Today I'm gonna play welder.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
At this.
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Is really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
something like that. That's wrapped for, what
Day
did we
12.
determine this was? Day 12?
This is day 12.
Maybe day 13. A couple of nights
yesterday.
milling that beam in town.
Yep.
It's day 13. We get as far as we figured you'd figured we'd get.
Not really.
This guy.
No, I figured we'd be a little bit further, but I keep changing things, so adding to it. Angled deck boarding takes time.
The border.
And I keep forgetting about the gate. I kept forgetting about the fact that we had to do it last night when we were talking about what we're going to do today, and I keep forgetting that we did it.
So, you seen that? We got the gate done. I'll show you it closed before we bugger off. And we built this monstrosity beam here that we put up last night, and all the other stuff that we hand cut. Well, I guess not hand cut, chainsaw cut, but milled and notched and everything else, that was all custom today. So unlike this guy, I think we made miles this weekend, considering that there was a lot of extra that wasn't on the last faxed copy of the engineer drawings, apparently.
The guy doesn't have a fax machine. What kind of contractor doesn't have a fax machine?
Okay. So I guess that's a wrap. We'll
Yeah.
give you this closing shot of what everything looks like. Camera probably doesn't do it justice to just how massive this thing is. It's gonna be so cool when it's done. You're gonna come in from the inside, which is gonna be all nice and refined and drywall finished. And you're gonna come to the outside with this beautiful deck, and you're gonna see this natural beams and an open joist concept, and there'd be branches through the viewing. Thanks for coming along, guys.
Next weekend.
Big one. Hoping we can
Rafters.
lasso some extra people and we can put some tin and have a roof on this thing.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Look at getting it sealed in, so.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have it completely sealed up next weekend. That would be a very ambitious goal, but that's what I'd like to see anyway.
I don't know about windows and doors, but I think if we get a full roof and all the tin work done on both it and the shed would be a pretty good feat. There you have it. Little fine tuning. We're gonna put the cables in to tension the posts to keep them from slacking in. So we'll get that done. We'll get everything centered up. And paint, maybe find somebody that can paint. So see you on the next one.